Dogecoin was one of the crypto examples of overcoming adversity of 2020-21, seeing remarkable cost development in the initial not many long stretches of the year, and tracking down it back among the main 10 greatest digital currencies by market cap, apparently against all assumptions. A large portion of its prosperity came because of local area-driven cost runs joined with the periodically ideal remark from Tesla chief Elon Musk. Together, these elements have pushed Dogecoin back into the spotlight and appear to have gathered a specific level of speed that doesn't seem as though it will disappear anytime soon. Everybody realizes that Dogecoin was initially begun as a spoof of the digital currency market. Yet is it time for financial backers to begin viewing Doge more in a serious way? And does it have a future as a genuine method for esteemed trade among such a lot of rivalry? In the accompanying video, we'll see 5 justifications for why Dogecoin may, as yet to fold your cash in 2023. 1. The Dogecoin People Group. The Dogecoin People Group has shown itself to be furiously steadfast and one of the most dynamic in the crypto space. The Doge cost runs that we saw in 2021 were generally arranged by the coin's subreddit and the notorious Wall Street Bits conversation. Alongside the GameStop adventure prior in 2021, we saw exactly the way in which powerful these gatherings can be. Obviously, Reddit clients alone are not really liable to be prepared to do more than once helping Doge's cost. However, the way that the altcoin successfully has a little multitude of lifelong fans prepared to help in any capacity they can implies that Dogecoin enjoys a particular upper hand over numerous other cryptographic forms of money. Dogecoin could ostensibly be viewed as the world's coolest cryptographic money, and this could demonstrate urgent in the event that it turns into the computerized cash of decision for the more youthful age. Considering that Bitcoin has successfully held the best position regardless of being in fact outmatched by later blockchain projects, any social force that Doge can develop could deliver profits in the long haul. Dogecoin is as yet a feasible cash. Can we just look at things objectively for a minute? Dogecoin is not really a shrewd blockchain by present-day principles and is pretty much restricted in application to being a straightforward method for esteemed trade. Be that as it may, the equivalent can be said to describe a few top-level digital currencies including Bitcoin. Likewise, Dogecoin is seemingly much more practical for the purpose of installment. Displayed on the Litecoin outline, Dogecoin utilizes a helper confirmation of work POW agreement component, yet depends on the script calculation instead of SHA-256, which makes Dogecoin a lot quicker and less asset escalated than Bitcoin. Dogecoin is likewise an inflationary digital money, which is considerably more in accordance with government-issued money, and means Dogecoin will not turn out to be too scant to be in any way utilized as a regular installment. The stockpile pace of Doge expansions in a controlled style and considers enough of the token to remain in supply to help retail exchanges on a business scale. Dogecoin has big name status. Dogecoin has frequently been depicted as individuals' digital currency including "It Just So Happens" by Elon Musk, and the Impossible Image theme token has laid down a good foundation for itself as one of the most chic cryptographic forms of money ever, which has definitely prompted a spate of superstar support. Sneak Homeboy has remarked on digital currency a couple of times throughout the long term and is known to have recently put resources into Bitcoin. Yet the rapper has likewise communicated an affection for Doge, having tweeted a picture of his famous RNG collection cover, just with his own face supplanted with that of Dogecoin's presently scandalous Shiba Little Guy. Sneak isn't the main rapper getting involved either. Lil Yachty has likewise tweeted about Doge a few times. In the meantime, Kiss legend Quality Simmons has likewise gotten on board with the Doge fleeting trend, declaring that he has obtained a major position. Obviously, it isn't all rappers and maturing heroes showing up to openly endorse Dogecoin. Very rich person innovation financial backer Imprint Cuban tweeted that assuming I needed to pick between purchasing a lottery ticket and Dogecoin, I would purchase Dogecoin. He has likewise proceeded to affirm he has purchased an undisclosed measure of the altcoin for his child. Is Dogecoin going to detonate again in 2023? Dogecoin encountered some serious cost development in 2021, pushing it up from the edges and into the rundown of the main 10 cryptographic forms of money by market cap. Any reasonable person would agree the local area-driven bull came as a shock. However, there is not a glaringly obvious explanation to accept it couldn't repeat. Will Dogecoin twofold my cash in 2023? Nobody can say without a doubt what Dogecoin will be worth toward the finish of 2023. However, get the job done to say that most investigators are serious areas of strength for foreseeing for Doge. How much development anticipated relies upon who you ask, yet it is by all accounts a prevalent sentiment that Dogecoin will increment by half throughout the following year, or somewhere in the vicinity. How would I put resources into Dogecoin? You can put resources into Dogecoin through a believed digital money trader representative. We typically suggest a Toro, as the stage has perhaps of the best standing in the business and is reasonable for both experienced and fledgling financial backers. Does Dogecoin have a future? Dogecoin might have begun life as something of a joke. However, 2021 uncovered the image coin as an amazing powerhouse. Doge has kept on drawing in a devoted following and is by all accounts going from one solidarity to another. As the year rolls on, it's conceivable that the token has now gathered sufficient speed to keep it among the top-level digital currencies. Does Elon Musk uphold Dogecoin? It's uncommon to find out about Dogecoin without the name Elon Musk springing up nowadays. Yet it appears to be that the Tesla and SpaceX president has a weakness for Doge. Not just has he tweeted emphatically about the token, yet he has likewise gone on record commending the coin's prosperity and bringing up the incongruity that, having begun as a joke, it has likewise proceeded to be an exceptionally fruitful digital money. What are examiners anticipating for Dogecoin before very long? So we have advanced 5 justifications for why Dogecoin could be a wise interest in 2023. Yet what do the experts need to say? Will that investor has Dogecoin going past 39 cents in April, prior to coming to more than $0.441 toward the finish of 2023. In the event that this forecast happens, anybody deciding to put resources into Dogecoin today could plainly twofold their cash soon. Somewhere else, as per TradingBeast's specialized examination, Doge will become going into 2023, coming to $0.2729. At last, Digitalconpress predicts that Doge will move to $0.2333 in 2023 and approach $0.27084 before 2023 is out. While these expectations are just mystery and can't be ensured, it surely looks good for Dogecoin that the major logical stages appear to be bound together in their conviction that Doge will increment by something like half throughout the following months. Try not to miss Dogecoin, Doge value expectation for 2025 and 2030. Decision is Dogecoin a wise interest in 2023. Nothing is ensured with regards to the digital currency market, yet there is a great deal to recommend that Dogecoin will in any case be a wise interest in 2023. Will it twofold your cash? Possibly. As we have seen, a few investigators accept Doge could be up by 100% before the finish of 2023. While potential Reddit crusades are incredibly difficult to foresee even whenever they've started, it has been demonstrated that they can be a genuine vehicle for truly helping the cost of a resource, and the Dogecoin people group has proactively demonstrated this once this year. The continuous, obvious backing of Elon Musk ought to likewise not be excused. Musk